Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to dive into a topic that will take your research skill to the next level. Yes. Truncation. Truncation will help you find variation of words, whether you're a student, professional, or simply someone looking to streamline your search process. Understanding truncation is a game changer. So let's jump right in. Okay. First thing first, what is truncation? Truncation is a search technique that allows you to find variation of words by just using some symbols. Usually, asterisk will help you do that. You just need to add asterisk after the words at the end of the word. Okay, let me give an example. Say you are researching a topic of education and you want to find information on different forms of teaching. Say, for example, teaching, or a teacher, like that. Okay, so instead of typing out every variation, each of the variation individually, you can simply use truncation by typing truncation, that is teach asterisk, into the search bar. You are telling a search engine to find any word, okay, that starts with teach, okay, and may have additional letters following to it. This way you capture all variation um, of a word with just one simple query. The beauty of truncation is that it is not only is going to save you time, but also ensure you don't miss out the relevant information. It's particularly useful when you're dealing with words having a multiple ending or variations, allow you, which is kind of allowing you to cast a wider net in your search. So, next time, when you are conducting a research and want to find variation of words, remember, use truncation with asterisk symbol. This is just a quick guide to using truncation to find variation of words. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, happy searching. Thank you.